Creatine is a naturally occurring chemical that has been a cornerstone in the fitness field for decades. This simple but potent molecule has transformed the way athletes and fitness enthusiasts approach their training and recuperation. From professional bodybuilders to weekend warriors, creatine has become a valued friend in the search for optimum performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike have resorted to this pill to increase their performance and attain their fitness objectives. Whether it's developing muscle, boosting strength, or enhancing endurance, creatine has shown to be a useful tool. Its adaptability and efficacy have made it a mainstay in gyms and training facilities across the globe. But what exactly is creatine, and how has it earned its position as a mainstay in the realm of sports nutrition? To comprehend its relevance, we need to look into its origins and how it acts inside the body. Creatine is a molecule that is spontaneously generated in the liver, kidneys, and pancreas from amino acids. It is subsequently taken to the muscles where it is stored as phosphocreatine. Creatine is present naturally in modest levels in meals like red meat and fish. These food sources give a baseline level of creatine, but for people involved in severe physical activity, it is typically essential to attain ideal levels by drinking creatine supplements. Athletes may ensure their muscles are saturated with this important chemical ready to be used during high-intensity exercises. It plays a key part in our body's energy generation, notably during high-intensity sports like weightlifting or running. When you participate in these rigorous workouts, your muscles depend on phosphocreatine to swiftly replenish adenosine triphosphate ATP, the fundamental energy transporter in cells. This method provides for continuous power production and increased performance. Think of creatine as a readily accessible energy store that your muscles may tap into for those brief bursts of strength. This quick availability to energy may make the difference between a decent exercise and a terrific one. It helps athletes to push harder, lift more, and sprint faster, eventually leading to larger increases in strength and muscular growth. The popularity of creatine originates from its demonstrated effects. It's supported by years of scientific study. Numerous studies have proved its usefulness in increasing athletic performance, making it one of the most thoroughly studied and trustworthy supplements available. Researchers have regularly observed that creatine supplementation leads to considerable gains in muscular strength, power, and general exercise capacity. It has constantly proved its potential to enhance muscle mass, improve strength, and boost workout performance. These advantages are not confined to top athletes. Even casual gym users may enjoy considerable gains in their fitness levels. The ability to work out harder and recover quicker makes pre-18 a crucial aspect of any serious fitness plan. This strong combination has reinforced creatine's place as a go-to product for people wanting to enhance their physical potential. Its safety and efficacy have been proven by innumerable users and scientific research alike. As a consequence, creatine has become a cornerstone of sports nutrition, trusted by athletes across many disciplines. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness path, recognizing the potential of creatine may be a game changer. It provides a solid and scientifically validated technique to boost your training results. By introducing creatine into your regimen, you may unlock new levels of performance and reach your fitness objectives more effectively. In the following sections, we'll go further into the unique advantages of creatine, study its numerous forms, and equip you with the knowledge to utilize it efficiently into your workout program. From knowing the appropriate doses to learning about the best times to use creatine, we'll offer you with all the knowledge you need to make the most of this potent supplement. Stay tuned as we investigate the science behind creatine and how it may help you achieve your top potential. One of the most sought-after advantages of creatine is its incredible ability to increase muscular development. This product has achieved tremendous popularity among athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness lovers for its efficiency in increasing physical performance and muscular growth. But how does this apparently simple vitamin aid to growing a more muscular physique? The science underlying creatine is both intriguing and complicated, comprising multiple physiological systems that work together to improve muscle development and strength. The explanation lies in its action on our muscular cells. Creatine is stored in the muscles as phosphocreatine, which plays a critical role in the creation of adenosine triphosphate ATP, the fundamental energy currency of our cells. Creatine supplies the fuel for muscular contractions, those minute motions that grow and strengthen our muscles. And during high-intensity exercise, our muscles depend largely on ATP for energy, and creatine helps restore ATP levels, enabling us to endure intensive exercises for longer durations. By boosting creatine levels in our muscles, we increase our ability to produce these contractions, eventually leading to greater muscular development over time. This implies that with creatine supplementation, you may push your limitations, lift higher weights, and produce more substantial increases. Imagine having a greater fuel tank for your exercises. That's exactly what creatine does for your muscles. It offers the additional energy required to get through those final few repetitions, making a major impact in your overall performance and results. Furthermore, creatine creatine stimulates cell volumization, a process that pumps water into muscle cells. This increased water content not only helps muscles seem fuller and more defined, but also provides an anabolic environment inside the muscle, further encouraging growth. This increased water content not only helps muscles seem fuller and more defined, but also provides an anabolic environment inside the muscle, further encouraging development. The volumization effect also assists in minimizing muscular fatigue and pain, allowing for speedier recovery between sessions. The advantages of creatine extend beyond only boosting muscular growth. It also boosts overall athletic performance by enhancing strength, power, and endurance. Athletes that take creatine frequently claim greater performance in sprinting, leaping, and other high-intensity exercises. Creatine supplementation has also been related to improved protein synthesis, the process by which our bodies generate new muscle proteins. This is vital for muscle repair and development, since protein synthesis aids in the rehabilitation and rebuilding of muscle fibers that are injured during exercise. This implies that creatine not only helps us work out harder, but also enhances our body's capacity to repair and create muscular tissue after exercise. Faster recovery times mean you can work out more often and with higher intensity, resulting to more consistent development. If you're wanting to pack on muscle mass and sculpt a more powerful body, including creatine into your program might be a great tool. It's a highly studied supplement with an established track record of safety and efficacy, making it a mainstay in many sports and bodybuilders' regimens. Combined with a carefully designed training regimen and a healthy diet, creatine may help you unleash your muscle development potential and get the body you've always sought. Remember, consistency is crucial, and with the appropriate attitude, creatine may be a formidable weapon in your fitness armory. While creatine is generally acknowledged for its muscle-building abilities, its significance in fat reduction is sometimes misinterpreted by many. Creatine alone doesn't directly burn fat, but it may indirectly help to a leaner physique via numerous significant methods. Firstly, by increasing muscular mass, creatine considerably enhances your metabolism. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, suggesting that a more muscular body demands more energy even when you're not actively working out. This increase in calorie expenditure might produce a more favorable environment for fat reduction over time. Secondly, creatine boosts exercise performance, enabling you to train harder and longer with more intensity. Those tough exercises lead to more calories expended. This might add to a calorie deficit, a significant aspect in losing excess fat. Furthermore, some research show that creatine may favorably alter hormone levels connected to fat metabolism. However, further study is required to fully grasp this possible advantage and its ramifications. So, it's vital to realize that creatine is not a miraculous fat-burning drug or a fast cure. Its contribution to fat reduction is mostly via its indirect effects on muscle building and better workout performance. To efficiently reduce fat, a complete program that combines a calorie-restricted diet and frequent exercise is important for success. The world of creatine supplements provides a number of possibilities, each with its unique set of qualities. And from powders to liquids and even capsules, the possibilities might seem infinite. Each kind of creatine supplement is intended to appeal to various requirements and interests, making it crucial to understand what each form provides. Navigating this terrain may be intimidating, but recognizing the fundamental distinctions can help you pick the form that corresponds best with your requirements and objectives. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness journey, the appropriate creatine supplement may make a major impact in your performance and recuperation. Creatine monohydrate ranks as the most studied and readily accessible type. This type of creatine has been the subject of multiple research, all pointing to its usefulness in improving muscle growth, strength, and overall athletic performance. This tried and reliable alternative offers an established track record of performance and price. It's not just the most cost-efficient form, but also the most accessible, making it a favorite option among fitness enthusiasts and athletes alike. It's an excellent alternative for both novices and expert users seeking a stable and cost-efficient device. Whether you're wanting to develop muscle, boost endurance, or promote recovery, creatine monohydrate provides a solid answer. Creatine hydrochloride, or HCl, has gained popularity for its alleged improved solubility and lower risk of stomach discomfort. This kind of creatine is generally advised for people who have bloating or gastrointestinal concerns with monohydrate. While research on HCl is still developing, its potential advantages make it a tempting alternative for folks with sensitive stomachs. The enhanced solubility means it dissolves more quickly in water, perhaps leading to greater absorption and reduced gastrointestinal irritation. Creatine ethyl ester, or C, originated with promises of improved absorption, although research has yet to fully confirm its superiority over monohydrate. Despite the absence of clear proof, some users choose CC for its stated advantages and convenience of use. Micronized creatine delivers a quicker, potentially enhancing its mixability and minimizing the gritty, feelsome encounter with monohydrate. So this version is simply creatine monohydrate that has been treated to generate smaller particles, making it simpler to dissolve in liquids. Liquid creatine offers convenience, but its stability and efficiency compared to powdered versions are questionable. While it gives the benefit of being ready to drink, some research show that liquid creatine may dissolve more rapidly, lowering its efficacy. With several alternatives available, the decision typically boils down to individual taste, price, and tolerance. It's crucial to evaluate your unique demands and how your body reacts to various kinds of creatine. Creatine monohydrate remains the gold standard owing to its considerable scientific support and cost efficiency. Its lengthy history of usage and established advantages make it a dependable option for anybody wishing to increase their sports performance. However, trying with several formats might help you identify which one fits you best. Each form of creatine has its own distinct features, and what works best for one individual may not be the optimum option for another. By exploring several forms, you might discover the creatine supplement that corresponds exactly with your training objectives and personal tastes.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.